Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder on Google Drive. So go for in this new tab here, click on it and go for new folder. Okay, now you have to enter your name, folder name here. If I type for my one, okay, then go for create. And you can see your folder is here. Now you can go for it and you can upload your files or videos or pictures here. So that's it. This is how you can create a folder on Google Drive. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.